7 mistakes to avoid when taking care of your skin. The details of our daily routine that influence the health of our skin are legion. Learn more in our video. To have healthy, soft, and luminous skin, you need to devote a little time to it. Removing makeup every night and using a cream every day won't always be enough. There are certain habits which are very harmful to the skin and which you should avoid at all costs in order to take good care of it. Taking care of our skin is not just a question of aesthetics. It is also a question of health. We have to go beyond beauty products and aesthetic treatments and identify what mistakes we make. In this video, we will see what are the 7 mistakes to avoid when taking care of our skin. 2. Exfoliate. It is true that exfoliation removes dead skin cells from the face and helps the skin to look better. However, you shouldn't overdo it. Too much exfoliation can cause serious damage to the skin. If we exfoliate our skin too much, we will kill the cells we are trying to heal and prevent them from growing properly. Moreover, by doing this, you can dry out your skin, which promotes the appearance of wrinkles. You can, therefore, exfoliate your skin at most once a week. Do not use sunscreen. The sun is very bad for the health of the skin. It is the #1 cause of skin aging because UV rays cause spots and wrinkles in addition to promoting skin cancer. It is for this reason that it is necessary to use a sunscreen adapted to our type of skin, in summer as in winter. Do not remove makeup before sleeping. When you get home late and are exhausted, going to bed without taking your makeup off can be very tempting. This is one of the most common mistakes. And also one of the most harmful for the skin. A good cleansing before sleeping is essential so that the skin can renew itself and nourish itself during the night. If you don't remove your makeup, your skin will stay dry and opaque. In addition, the dirt on the skin will clog the pores, which could promote the appearance of acne, blackheads, and pimples of all kinds. We must, therefore, remove all makeup using a cleansing cream or a product recommended for our skin type. Not using products correctly. Another mistake to avoid when taking care of your skin, this error is also very common. The most common is not knowing our skin type well. This is the first thing to do. Analyze whether our skin is rather normal, dry, oily, combination, or sensitive. With this information in mind, we will be able to choose the products that best suit our skin. In addition, it is important to know what function each product fulfills: day cream, night cream, serum, eye contour, tonic lotion, cleansing gel. Each product has a specific effect on health and skincare, and it is important to know how to use them correctly.